the cables are done. When you tie the positive side, be careful you don't over tie it, because you could break the housing on the solenoid. Okay, this is plastic, so if you tie it too tight, you won't break it. So just tie it enough so it won't be loose. Either that, or you can use some Loctite on the nut, and it'll stay where it is, and it will not move anymore. So it's already installed. The starter is already installed, as you can see. Also, there's this cable here, the positive cable. It's got this attachment here, which is this one here, that was attached to this, the screw on the starter itself. But I'm not gonna put it back on because I don't want to undo the screw and maybe loosen something up inside the starter, and then I'll mess it up. I don't know why they put this on attached to the starter, but it's such a dumb thing to put on. It's not going anywhere. See, it doesn't move anywhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna attach it somewhere else, like somewhere down here, so it will not move at all. So be careful when you tie it down. So I'm done with this one. Now you gotta put the battery tray on. Line up the holes. Put your bolts on. And put your battery back on. Positive, negative, and you're done. That easy. It should start. Give me a second to put the battery back on in the tray.